Hello everyone, I'm Aretha Taylor from SouthFragrances.com. I just want to share with you some of the products I have added to my skincare line. For this one, for instance, I have handcrafted Ylang Ylang lotion. It's very moisturizing and hydrating. Also, I have made activated charcoal soap. The soap is also hydrated and moisturizing. Mostly all of my products are for dry skin, and that's why I try to make moisturizing and hydrating skincare products, because I am a dry skin sufferer myself. I suffer from dry skin. I don't know whether it's hereditary, but also these are wax melt. This is something to make your surroundings smells better. Say, if you're in your apartment and you want your apartment to smell like a particular scent, all you have to do is these and get you some wax melt. The wax melts, these are candles without wick. These are watermelon and they smell delicious. And what I usually do when I want my house to smell delicious, I go and break off a piece of wax melt, say like this one. I break off a piece of the wax melt and I put it in my wax warmer. This is my wax warmer. I drop my wax warmer, my wax melt into my wax warmer. And I take a candle, of unscented small candle. I light it. What I do is I light this with my lighter here. And I put it inside of my wax warmer. And this is going to melt my wax melt, and it's going to disperse scent throughout my dwelling. So I have other wax melts, like I said, I have watermelon, I have tangerine. These are really candles without a wick, and they smell magnificent. This one it's vanilla. If you like vanilla, just drop a block of that wax melt into a wax warmer. Yeah, as I said, this one is tangerine, and this one is white rose wax melt. This body wash and my other products can be gotten at www.SouthFragrances.com. And I just love this activated charcoal soap. It's so pretty and shiny. Magnificent. This is Ylang Ylang soap activated. See how pretty and shiny it is? Oh, every time I pass through my little studio, I have to go over there and give this activated charcoal a look and smell it. Oh my goodness. And what else do I have here? Oh, I also have solid body butter that I made. Can you see it? This is sunflower. It has a sunflower blend. It has cocoa butter in it. Oh, you can just smell the cocoa butter. Now that's what it smells like, cocoa butter. This one is also moisturizing. It's very moisturizing for the skin. If you have dry, cracked skin like I do, this one will do the trick if you want to get rid of your dry, cracked skin. Solid body butter. And I think I have another product to show you, but before I show you this one, I showed you my solid body butter, and I want to show you this. This is the skin from avocados I had. I eat my avocado, but the skin of the avocado, I keep it because I am going to dry these out, let them dry out more. I'm going to grind them up very fine, and then I'm going to put them in my hot process soap, and it's going to be something like a exfoliant for the skin. Also, I not only have the skin from the avocado. Can you see it? This is the skin from the avocado. I'm letting them dry out, and it's going to go in my hot process soap. Also, I have the seeds from the avocado. I'm going to grind this up and put them, make a separate soap. And I'm going to put these in the soap also. I'm going to make soap from the avocado seed. I'm going to make some hot process soap, exfoliant hot process soap. I had one more. Now this is body butter, solid body butter that I made. It's very moisturizing, and it smells good. Smell like Hershey. Oh, cocoa butter. It's very moisturizing for the skin. Comes from the cocoa bean. I have one in my car. So whenever my hand needs a good moisturizing, I just take it and moisturize my skin. So I think that's it for now. I just wanted to share with you some of the products I have made. I just still cannot get over that activated charcoal. Ylang-ylang hot activated charcoal. Because it has been a while since I made a video. When COVID-19 came, I just lost a desire. I don't know what it was. Maybe I was depressed. But this is my second video I have made since COVID-19 has been here. I guess I just needed some type of motivation. I had to motivate myself. I said, let me get up, let me go and make my video. So, I will talk with you all later, and thank you for watching my video. Please click the button down below. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you. night, a good day to everyone. Bye.